In this video, I will show you how to drive correctly for driving test at Racecourse Roundabout Doncaster, third exit right from Ledger Way to Bennetthorpe. On the left side you can see the green panel with line discipline, and for the third exit right you need to use the right lane. You can also notice the road markings indicating the direction to the right. As this is a spiral roundabout, you need to signal right on approach and keep to the right on the roundabout. After passing the second exit, you need to enter into the left lane next to the bus lane. From here, please follow the road markings and exit into the second lane by using MSM routine. That's all for today. Please subscribe to get my future videos.